You're kind of weird, but kind of cute too.
Well, then I'm kind of offended, but I'm also kind of flattered.
You've heard this voice before, right? Now compare it to this one.
The receptionist job that was in the paper I was here about.
You're hired.
Both are male voices, but they feel completely different. One is higher, lighter, less grounded. The other is deeper, calmer, more powerful. And that small difference, it can completely change how people perceive you. There's a reason you clicked on this video. On some level, you already know that a deeper voice is often seen as more attractive, more confident, and more authoritative. The good news is, this isn't something you're just born with. There are things you can do to improve it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps that can noticeably deepen and strengthen your voice over time. And make sure you stick around, because the last tip ties everything together and makes a bigger difference than most people expect. Let's start with something most people overlook: your body. Your voice isn't just about your throat. It's connected to your overall physical state, including your testosterone. When your testosterone is high, your voice often reflects that. Simple strength training can help with this. Exercises like pull-ups, squats, bench presses, and deadlifts don't just improve your physique, they also support better posture, breathing, and overall presence, which all contribute to how your voice sounds. And even beyond that, they increase your testosterone substantially by thickening your vocal cords, so you naturally have a lower voice. That alone can make your voice sound deeper and more grounded, permanently, not just temporarily. Next, you need to protect your voice. A lot of people try to force a deeper voice by talking more, talking louder, or straining their throat. That actually does the opposite over time. It creates tension, fatigue, and can even damage your vocal cords. Instead, think of your voice like a muscle that needs recovery. If you're constantly shouting, over-talking, or never giving it a break, it won't perform well. Give yourself space to rest your voice throughout the day, especially if you talk a lot. A helpful technique here is to study and lightly mimic people with strong, calm voices. Study their pacing, their tone, and how relaxed they sound. A great example is Brad Pitt, especially in Fight Club, where his voice is controlled and effortless. Pay attention to how he speaks. It's never rushed, never forced.
You accept your fate. It's all right here.
At first, mimicking might feel awkward, but over time, it helps you build awareness and control over your own voice. Now, this is where things really start to change: your breathing and vocal technique. Most people breathe shallowly into their chest. That naturally leads to a higher, tighter voice. Instead, you want to breathe from your diaphragm, your belly. When you breathe in, your stomach should expand, not your chest. This relaxes your body and allows your voice to come out deeper and more naturally. Another powerful technique is something called the yawn-sigh method. You basically open your mouth like you're yawning, then slowly sigh out. This helps lower your larynx and relax your throat, which is key for a deeper, fuller sound. You can also practice humming, but not high nasal humming. Go for low, steady hums and focus on feeling the vibration in your chest. That's where you want your voice to resonate. And don't forget the basics: stay hydrated. If your vocal cords are dry, your voice will sound weaker and more strained. Now let's talk about something simple that has a massive impact: how you speak. Most people rush their words. They talk quickly, fill every silence, and never give their voice time to settle. If you want to sound deeper and more confident, slow down. Add small pauses between your words and sentences. This gives your voice time to resonate and adds weight to what you're saying. It also makes you sound more composed and intentional. Even when you're in conversation, take a second before responding. Not only will your answers be better, but you'll come across as calm and in control. Also, try to limit things like excessive caffeine and alcohol. Both can dry out your vocal cords and reduce the quality of your voice over time. Now here's the final piece that ties everything together: relaxation. If your body is tense, your voice will be tense. And when your throat tightens, your voice naturally becomes higher and less stable. So if you want a deeper, smoother voice, you need to stay relaxed. That means loosening your jaw, your neck, and your throat. It means managing stress. Simple things like deep breathing exercises or meditation during the day can make a noticeable difference. Also, try to avoid whispering. It might seem harmless, but whispering actually strains your vocal cords more than normal speaking and can weaken your voice over time. At the end of the day, improving your voice isn't about forcing it lower. It's about removing tension, building better habits, and allowing your natural voice to come through more clearly. If you stay consistent with these steps, you'll start to notice your voice becoming deeper, calmer, and more controlled. Just remember, this takes practice. Don't rush it. Stick with it, stay patient, and your voice will improve.
If you're serious about leveling up as a man, subscribe and become the best version of yourself.